Warming. Generally, we can see Vulcan and all the lights. All we can barely see are the light shining just above the tree line there at Vulcan tonight. So a foggy night in Homewood. Temperatures at 51. Winds out of the southwest at around 7 miles per hour. With those winds shifting out of the south, that will keep temperatures unseasonably mild for this evening. We're seeing some upper 40s in Coleman, 50 in Jasper right now. We're not going to cool off all that much overnight tonight because of the fog and the cloud cover. Highs today topped out at around 50 degrees, 54 average high for this time of year. Temperatures tomorrow, though, nearly 10 degrees warmer. We're going to be closer to 60, some places the low 60s, climbing into the mid 60s by Saturday. So here's a look at that dense fog advisory again, west central Alabama, even over towards Gadsden and Anniston. So all the way to the state line. It does look like by tomorrow morning, though, maybe some slight clearing, but not a whole lot. The clouds sticking around tonight, 47 for our overnight low. Tomorrow in the 60s, low 60s at that. A mild night for January, or mild day. And keep in mind, though, it looks like temperatures, although warming up for the next 2 days, are going to dramatically fall as we round out the weekend and head into the early part of next week. So let's get right to the maps and walk through the timing of this wet weather. And I'll show you how the timing of the rain has shifted just a bit. Models now picking up on a little faster system. It's picking up a little bit of speed, and that's fairly typical. We really start to hone in on that timing about 48 hours out from this event. So by Saturday early morning, it looks like North Alabama could be dealing with some wet weather. And then by, I would say, mid-morning, 9 to 11 a.m., starts moving into West Alabama, even stretching up through places like Decatur over towards Huntsville. That organized line still back in Mississippi at around 10 a.m., but by your lunch hour, that starts to move into west into central Alabama and then moves into East Alabama by 6 o'clock tomorrow night, and then moves into Georgia by, I would say, sometime late Saturday evening by midnight Sunday morning. And look at this. Any chance of winter weather, I think, is going to be well to our north. At this point, it's just going to be a wet and rainy Saturday, followed by a frigid Sunday and Monday. Really, those are the big factors here. I want to show you what happens to temperatures by Sunday morning at about 3 a.m. Temperatures will already be in the upper 30s, falling into the mid 30s as you wake up, and actually temperatures falling even a bit more Sunday for your lunch hour. And then on Monday, I was looking at some models, thinking maybe some teens in some spots. I think we're going to be in the low 20s still. Weather aware Sunday and Monday just because of some dangerous cold for some. And that's a look at your storm team.